Hi, just want to show you our D4 Caterpillar. We'll see if we can get it to start and give you a short demonstration. We are going to sell it. We've put in a new main clutch, new steering clutches, new brakes, new upholstery, and so it's in pretty nice shape. It has a couple of minor drawbacks. We need to repair one of the under track rollers still, and it's missing a couple of brackets on the drawbar.
What year is it?
I believe it's a 1951. It's a 7U model, and so we'll see if it'll start here. We have to open the fuel on it and prep the pony motor. Well, that's pretty much the long and the short of it. If you walk around here, I want to show you the defects. It's missing one track roller on the undercarriage right there. And the bearings were bad on it. We took it off to repair it and haven't replaced it yet. If you look at the undercarriage, it's probably got about, I don't know, 50, 60, 75%. They're still in pretty nice shape. And back here, if you look right here, there's a couple of brackets that hold the drawbar. We took them off when we were wearing a backhoe on it, and we can't find them anymore. That's the bad news. I don't think they would cost a whole lot to replace.
Okay.
There it is.